All right, guys, so let's talk about the business cycle. Let's just go ahead and draw it out right quick. Remember that on the y-axis, we have real GDP per year. On the x-axis, we have time. And then let me just go ahead and try and draw this out here. Your little curves. All right, remember that the tippy top, well, let's just label these curves right quick. Okay, so this would be the growth trend line, kind of like the average of what's going on with this squiggly one. This the squiggly line would be your real GDP. All right, the tippy top, the highest point on the business cycle before it starts coming back down, is known as your peak. And the lowest point, the lowest absolute point before it starts picking back up, that's known as your trough. All right. This right here is inflation. This means if you are on the growth trend line, that means that you are at the natural rate of unemployment. Remember, natural rate of unemployment is 4 to 6% unemployment. Anytime that you are above the growth trend line, that means that we have inflation, that we have high prices. Anytime that we are below the growth trend line, that means that we have high unemployment, or higher than normal. Sorry. All right. We measure a business cycle from peak to peak. That is also a peak up there. So this would be one business cycle. The point, again, from where you're going from the peak to down to the trough, that where our economy is going down, this is known as a recession, or it could be a contraction, again, depending on like the book that you're using. This, sorry that I'm drawing all ugly, guys. This part over here where we're going from the trough to the peak, or our economy is trying to like improve itself. This is called the recovery. Sorry about that. All right, so recovery or expansion, again, depending on who's writing the question, all that. So, did I miss anything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, 11 points that you have to know. Remember that a recession, to be an official recession, it has to be a 6-month period of decline. So there is your business cycle, guys. Oh, one last thing, sorry, I forgot to mention. Remember that wherever these two curves intersect, that is meaning that we are at full employment. So right here, 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 and here, we're at full employment. Okay.